Hello guys, this is section 3.1, rounding. So when we're rounding, we're going to say what the place value is and then figure out how we're going to round. So we're going to start at the decimal. When we start at the decimal, we call this the ones, the tens, the hundreds, the thousands, ten thousands, and that's this one right here. This is the 100,000s. And the millions. Now when you're doing the decimals, kind of goes in reverse order. So you have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, ten thousandths, hundred thousandths, and millionths. All right, so there's the place values. So we're going to use those. Now, some rules for rounding. When we're looking at rounding, we're just checking out the last digit we want to keep. So they might say round to the tenths. So we would keep this one. To round, we look at the number right after it. If the number is less than 5, so between 0 and 4, stays the same. But if it's between 5 and 9, we go up 1. If the last digit after the decimal, we remove the rest of the numbers. If it's before the decimal, we fill in until the decimal with zeros. So let's look at a few of these and let's figure out how these rules work. Okay, so I've got to identify the place value. Well, this is a decimal, so we call this the tenths place. I'm checking out this number, so I look here. Well, that's between 0 and 4, so we stay the same. So we call this number 38.4. And we get rid of that one. Oh, another decimal. This is the tenths hundredths. We're going to write all of these. Since the number after is between 5 and 9, we're going to go up 1. So that's going to make this 5 a 6. Now we're looking over here. We're in the, let's see, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands spot. We're looking at this number right here to figure out what to round. Well, between 0 and 4 stays the same. It's So we stay at 7. And then I have to go 1, 2, 3 until I get to the decimal. And the last one. So, round up the place value. Well, this is 1, 10s, hundreds. This number is bigger, so we go 3. Make this number 10 because it's between 5 and 9. So we go up 1. But here's the weird thing. Now I have too many numbers because the 9 went to a 10. So what we actually do is round up this one more. So we end up with 4 in this spot. And then I need 3 zeros to finish out the number. And that's rounding. So remember your place values. Between 0 and 4, stay the same. Between 5 and 9, round up.